Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home we are back in the dining room. Welcome to Thursday. It is December 5th, yes, and it is on to our super cruising mission number 4. So as you know, on Thursday in the Fly Lady system, it is your errand day, but she also has a note for you if you're not running errands or in between your errands. Your super cruising mission for today is to think about appointments. So do you need to make a hair appointment for yourself? I actually just got mine cut about a week and a half ago and got that all ready and done for the holidays. Or your children, do they need a little trim, or is it time for a full-blown haircut? Also things like dentist appointments or your well child visit or your well woman visit, any of those things that you need to do as far as making appointments. Today is the day. Don't put it off any longer. Let's get that taken care of. And also think about things like dry cleaning. Do you have a special holiday dress or outfit that needs to be dry cleaned so that you're ready for any festivities as we get up closer to Christmas? Or any other, linens. We just talked about that the other day. If you had linens that you took into the dry cleaner, then make sure you're getting those picked back up again. What else? I'm going to check her list just to make sure. Doctor, dentist, and hair appointments and dry cleaning. I think that's pretty much it. So just take a look at your list or think for a minute about the things that you've been meaning to do, and let's get those appointments made so that we're ready for the holidays and it's no longer lingering and hanging over our heads that we need to do that, and we'll get it taken care of today. All right, so thanks for joining me. That is your super cruising mission for Thursday, December 5th. I hope you're enjoying this series. We're moving right along into the first week of December. We actually have our little holiday Christmas walk coming up on Friday night, so that's always exciting. I think it's going to be cold, but it'll feel festive that way, and we're all looking forward to that. So hope you're having a great week, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and all of that, and I'll see you then. Have a great Thursday. Bye-bye.